everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have news for you guys. Today I have decided that I am going to do makeup series. I know, I was thinking about doing a makeup series for a long time, but I was like, do I know that much knowledge to do like a makeup series? Or would people think that I'm immature to do a series? And I was just overthinking this concept. But then I was like that I'm just gonna share my ideas. And the best thing about makeup is that there are no rules. So people can't judge me because I'm doing something wrong. Because there are no rules. So I have decided to do a makeup series. So I'm gonna name the series Step by Step. Because in this series, we are going to explore makeup together step by step. We will go from everyday makeup routine to like a proper full face, bridal heavy. Not bridal, but like a heavy makeup with everything included. So we are going to have this journey together in this series and I'm really excited for it. That is the reason why I'm making this video, to explain the series and what it is going to be exactly. But before that, I'm going to tell you why I like makeup and what is makeup. So let me just make this clear that makeup is not to make someone more beautiful. It may be to enhance your features, but it is not to make anyone beautiful. I personally think that through makeup, we get to know few people's aesthetics. Like there is a nude makeup, there is mauve makeup, there is heavy makeup, there are dark shades makeup, there are light shades makeup, into pink tones, into cool tones, into warm tones. There are many types. And through that, we will also get to know few people's aesthetic. So, we also get to know few people's aesthetic through makeup, and that's what I feel. Yeah, so that is clear. Makeup is not to make someone more beautiful. Okay? Now, why I like makeup. So I think so few artists, few painters, few sketchers, their canvas is a paper or the real canvas. But for the person who is doing makeup, or for makeup artists, I won't call myself a makeup artist. But the person who is doing makeup, for them the canvas is the face. It can be anyone's face, but the canvas is their face. And we can be very creative in makeup because, as I said, makeup has no rules. Like there are few guides and tips, but there are no rules. You can do makeup however you want because it is your way to explore. It is your way to represent yourself. So there are no rules, no restrictions in makeup. And that is like the best thing. But in this series, I'm going to give some guides and tips to you guys. And you can also share your tips in the comment section below, and we'll surely have like a conversation in the comment section. But it's like I'm gonna share my tips and tricks to you guys in this series, and I'm gonna tell you what I have understood by makeup and how I do my makeup. And I think so like the most part we can be creative is our eyes. Now this is not a rule, but basically like everybody has an idea that you have to use your blush on the cheekbones, or you have to use your contour or bronzer on the jawline, or to cut it over here. But like that's like a restricted part. You can't use your brush on the neck. It will be like a joker, pink color on the neck. But for eyes, you can be creative. You can do whatever you want. There are many types of eyeshadows. The ways to do eyeshadows, you can be like very creative in eyeshadows. So like eye is my favorite part of makeup. Now what we are going to do in this step-by-step series. So why I named it Step by Step, because as I said, we are going to go to normal, light, everyday makeup to a heavy, full face makeup. So it's literally step by step. We are going to have a journey through all the types of makeup, all the types, of layers of makeups. We will have like a light blush and cream blush at the first, and then we'll go very heavy with the powder. And like we'll have like every variation of the heaviness of makeup. So that's why I named it Step by Step, and we are going to learn it together. I will tell you some tips and tricks, you can tell me some tips and tricks, and we are going to explore. So welcome to Step by Step series, and I'm really excited. Stay tuned for the first episode. The first episode will come really soon. I've started working on it, and yeah, that is it. Stay positive.